Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and be talking about colorful eyeshadow palettes. Sorry if you guys hear anything in the background. My husband's watching the soccer game. Eyeshadow. This video is a disaster already. Anyways, you guys, we're going to be talking about the eyeshadows I've been using to create colorful looks on Instagram. I'll also be showing you guys some of my colorful looks that I've been going ahead and posting on Instagram. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram because my Instagram is popping. Can you guys count how many times I said Instagram in this sentence? But anyways, to make it on Instagram, plus another point right there for saying Instagram. To make it on Instagram nowadays, you basically have to think outside the box and not be a basic bitch anymore. So it's like you have to do colorful looks or something that's like just super gorgeous, or just look dumb on your thumbnail of your video. Either or. But today I wanted to go ahead and make this video a little goofy, a little bit funner, not something just so like, hey you guys, I'm showing you guys this product, it's so awesome. Like, I don't want to be like that like all the time because that's not who I am. But there's days I'm like, I need to be super professional on this video, so let me tone it down a notch. But you know what, at the end of the day, I'm like, you know what, I'm going to be who I am. If people want to watch me, then watch me, and if you don't watch me. For palettes here, I wanted to show you guys the James Charles palette in this video because I had a goal in my head that today I was going to be reviewing the James Charles Artistry palette, but they didn't have it, so I'm shit out of luck and I got stuck recording this video instead. But other than that, you guys, I have 4 palettes that I'm going to be showing to you guys that are on like my top favorite colorful eyeshadow palettes that I use all the time on Instagram, because I've noticed that lately, because of the fall, I've been buying eyeshadow palettes that have basically all the same color and do all the same thing. But you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this eyeshadow palette that you guys need. Well, one of them you guys can't even buy anymore, they don't sell it anymore. But yeah, let's get right into this. And if you guys have seen my eyeshadow, it looks super cute, super neon, and just super cute. But yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna get the boringest ones out of the way right now so we don't have to talk about them. 35V palette, and this one looks like this. So this palette doesn't look, because it has a lot of neutral shades and a lot of like just basic shades, but if you guys can see, it has the blues and then like the darker colors and just a pop of the reds. So this is what I've been using for Instagram. You guys can literally see that blue right there is like my go-to for a lot of the videos that I've been posting. So I actually do like this palette. It's just lately it's been boring me because there's not so many colors, like there's not a lot of looks you can create with this, even though you said you could. There's like not much you can really create with this. But yeah, I just wanted to get that video out of there. And this is $24, and I like it due to the blues that it has in here, and the black in this palette is really good as well. One, since we're on Morphe, is the OG rest in peace 35B palette. You guys know the 35B palette looks like this, and it has a lot of colorful shades. This is like my second palette. I remember my other one, I sold the other one. It was like literally all the eyeshadows were like halfway gone. Damn girl, you stingy. Actually, the first palette I ever bought for Morphe, not this one but the other one, the 35B, was the first ever product I purchased for Morphe's website. So yeah, I'm so excited. This is the one I've been using a lot. Like, I tagged Morphe, but I know they're not gonna like share me, and if they ever did see my post, they wouldn't share me anyways because they don't sell this anymore. The next one I've been really liking is this one. I know it doesn't look so colorful, but I like this one because the blue and the green on this palette, I like these two shades right here. They're really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I like this from the, like basically from here up, I like a lot. And this is a little bit more affordable if you do want to create a blue eyeshadow. Like, that blue just pops out. Stunning. Honestly, you guys, I am obsessed with, I don't know why BH Cosmetics is playing with my emotions. They've been liking my pictures when I post pictures and stuff, but like, come on, just follow me and just share me, please. That's like all I want for Christmas. But the 120 first edition palette, you guys, shut up! This palette is everything you ever needed, and it's only, I believe, $16. If I'm wrong, I will put it on the screen. But you guys need this damn palette, especially if you're gonna do Instagram and you want these creative ass looks. You guys need this palette. This is the first edition palette, and it looks like this. You see all those shades are really pigmented. This is a really good palette. We have all the pinks, the purples, the blues, and like the shimmer shadows, and then the basic. And then if we go to the next one, you guys, we have this. Very neon colors, you guys, but this is like in right now. This is what people want to see. This is what people will follow you for. This is like everything they ever want to see. A super pretty, colorful, this eyeshadow palette is like everything. I'm like seriously obsessed with it. So BH Cosmetics needs to hurry up and stop playing and share my picture, like my pictures, follow me please. But yeah, this palette right here is everything you'll ever need to create like a bomb look. So those are the only eyeshadow palettes I wanted to show to you guys that are colorful. This one is my favorite of all time, and the 35B, but I try not to use it so much because they don't sell it anymore. But this one, they still do sell it, and it's amazing, you guys. And honestly, it's super cheap, affordable for all the eyeshadows it has in here. But yeah, I don't know what I was going to record today, so this is what came out of it. Because obviously, my schedule ain't right. If you came across this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to do that either. And if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. And thank you for watching yet another video. Your girl's gonna go ahead and edit this video because it's Sunday and I upload tomorrow. But yeah, if you guys want to see this little mini tutorial, follow me on Instagram, please. I'm trying to promote my Instagram because, long story short, I deleted my old Instagram that had like 5,000 followers, almost 5,000 followers, let me not lie. And then I started new because basically my numbers wasn't matching up, you know? But yeah, hard work will pay off. My channel like grows and then ungrows and then grows and then goes down, my Instagram, and my channel's doing really good, so I'm really excited. But other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me go take off all this makeup because literally these last 2 days have consisted of me doing eye looks for the whole week and the week of Christmas because I'm gonna be MIA, be busy, you know. But yeah, sorry for this side ponytail. I didn't want to brush my hair. I had it sleek straight when I went to the mall. I think I already said that. And then it rained, so this is as good as it's getting. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next one.